Hey, let's take a look at another interesting feature in Power BI called drill through. So let's take a look here first, population CO2 GDP overview. In this report, we have this 2010 population by country view. All right. So this view gives you information about population in different countries. So here, for example, Mexico, you have this bar telling you the population in Mexico. However, sometimes you want to know something else about Mexico. All right, what's about CO2 and GDP and other information. So drill through basically give you this opportunity to go to another report which have detailed information about Mexico. Okay, of course you need to set up such a detailed report about Mexico in the first place before you can use this feature. But that's going to be another topic, how to set up the drill through. Okay, in this video I'm just going to show you how to utilize this feature if it's already set up. So here, if you move your mouse, hover your mouse to Mexico and right click, you can see here the drill through button. Okay, and the sub menu says there's a report called country detail, which give you information about Mexico in more detail. So click here, and you're going to be transferred to another report. Okay, so here's the report, country detail, and it shows you Mexico, where it is located, what is the capital city, and all the information regarding the CO2 level, the GDP, and the population over time. Okay, so pretty detailed information regarding Mexico here. If you want to go back to the original report, notice there's an arrow here, and this arrow can lead you to the original report. If you are using Power BI desktop, remember you cannot just click on this button. Doesn't really do anything. You have to press Control and meanwhile click on this button, and this will take you back to the original report. Okay, so we can try other things. For example, if we go to this world population map, okay, and say if you want to click on United States, again drill through country detail will lead you to this new report, and which give you the details about the United States. Again, while pressing Control, you press this back button, you are back to the original report. On this table, country data for 2010, you can again right click on any country you're interested and go to drill through on country detail. So now Pakistan's details are shown in this country detail report. Remember, this country detail report is only relevant for a country. So if your data point in a particular report is not at country levels, then you cannot do this drill through, right? So for example, again, let's go back to this population report. Here we have country level data. If you drill up to the continent level, for example, here now we have the continent level population data. Then if you go to, for example, Europe, you right click your mouse, there's no more drill through function available. Okay, so the drill through we set up here is only regarding the country level detail. So it's not it's not going to be available for a continent. Another report, for example, the CO2 KPI here, right? So in this CO2 actual versus goal, we have information for both continent and countries. So if you click on a particular country, okay, again, hover your mouse here and right click, you will see drill through for this particular country detail, right? So here we have detailed information, and let's go back again, press Control and at the same time press this back button. Now let's check if we can have drill through information regarding Africa, the continent. Again, right click here well, there's no such a drill through function available for Africa. Okay. So that's a drill through feature in Power BI.